I'll make you an offer you can't refuse.
You talking to me?
It's a unique opportunity. You have to accept it.
Who the fuck you think you're talking to, huh?
Shut up, little boy. I'm talking to Pacino. Un poco di rispetto. Pacino. So I was telling you about him. Yes, it seems he has returned. The Godfather Ronnie Miguez is back. After 10 years, Hurricane Ronnie is recording another album, keeping it old school. Coming soon from Enigma Entertainment.
The videos ain't gonna be like I want because I can't too much stuff. But I'll just do what I could.
this fancy Jack or...
You don't see a lot of that.
Honey, if he didn't drive me home, how else would we have sex in his car?
It's so funny.
Look at the mess I have. And that's not even all. I got 3 bags in the car full of shit.
Oh, so he's just being nice then.
I'm in Hawaii.
Give the cleaning guy a ride home too?
Not having a good night.
No.
My last night.
So now is he nice? I'm a little confused.
First meal I'm eating, I just cooked me some spam in the
He
kitchen.
lives on the island. We're on his way. What, you don't trust me?
So I've only been eating a handful of pretzels a day. Then a banana in the morning, too. The last 2 mornings I had a banana.
Come on, honey. You're just
And a
being
couple
nice
pretzels
guy.
at night.
Now,
Tonight I'm actually going to try to
really
eat
great
this.
job.
This is all I got right
I want you to
now.
be happy for me, all right?
But I'm fucking rolling out the
Right,
morning.
yeah.
I ain't rolling out till late tomorrow night, about 11 o'clock or some shit.
I'm gonna go wash up.
Man.
I'll meet you in bed, okay, Evan? Oops.
I'm just ready to go home and pick up my little girl.